It's been an interesting couple of weeks, really. We saw mortgage rates on the downward.
To see similar issues arise for those following the pricing data.
Followed by Jacksonville, then Tampa.
Imagine finding your dream home, locking in the deal, and then it all falls apart. You're not alone. 56,000 home buyers just had their deals cancelled. What's going on with the housing market? In this video, we'll uncover the shocking truth behind this massive collapse. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something huge. The housing market is in serious trouble, with 56,000 deals being cancelled recently. It's a wild time to be a buyer or seller, and we're going to break down exactly what's happening. Ready? Let's get into it. The current state of the housing market. Let's talk about what's been happening with the housing market before everything went sideways. It's no secret, home prices have been climbing like crazy. Buyers were bidding over asking prices, and finding a decent house was like winning the lottery. There just weren't enough homes to go around, and when something popped up, people jumped on it fast, often paying way more than expected. But now, things are starting to cool down. The aggressive bidding wars are slowing, and houses aren't flying off the market as quickly. In fact, sales have dropped in many areas by as much as 20% compared to last year. That's a big shift, right? For buyers, this might feel like a bit of relief. Finally, fewer people fighting over the same house. But hold on, it's not that simple. Rising interest rates are making it tougher to afford mortgages, even if the house price is lower. Sellers, on the other hand, are starting to feel the pinch, realizing that they may not get those sky-high offers anymore. So yeah, things have taken a turn, and it's only just beginning. Ready to dive deeper? Let's get into what really caused this mess. 56,000 cancelled deals. What happened? The housing market has taken a wild turn, and it's leaving many people wondering what's going on. Around 56,000 home purchase deals were cancelled in June 2023 alone, making up 15% of all contracts that month. This spike in cancellations is the highest in over a year, and the reasons behind it are telling a bigger story about where the market is headed. The cancellations are happening across the US, but some places, like Florida, especially Orlando, Jacksonville, and Tampa, have been hit harder than others. Buyers are increasingly backing out of deals, often due to the high cost of buying a home today. With affordability becoming a major issue, even small problems with homes are enough for buyers to pull the plug. One of the biggest reasons for these cancellations is rising mortgage rates, which are now hovering around 7%. For many buyers, this rate hike means significantly higher monthly payments, making it difficult to justify the purchase or even qualify for a loan. Financing is falling through for buyers who were pre-approved when rates were lower, but now can't keep up with the new terms. This has led to many deals being cancelled at the last minute. Another big reason: uncertainty. With home prices still high and the economy showing signs of instability, buyers are scared of overpaying. Some are choosing to walk away from deals, especially if they feel they're not getting the perfect home for the money they're spending. Impact on buyers and sellers. The impact of the cancelled housing deals on both buyers and sellers can be significant, especially in a fluctuating market. For buyers, the shift could offer both opportunity and challenges. On one hand, with deals falling through, buyers may have more negotiating power as sellers become more desperate to close sales. This could mean price drops or more favorable terms in negotiations. However, securing a mortgage is tougher due to rising interest rates and stricter lending standards, so it's a bit of a mixed bag. You might find a great deal, but getting the financing approved is a different story. For sellers, the situation can feel frustrating. Sellers who are expecting fast, lucrative sales might now face price reductions, longer waiting periods, or even the pressure to accept lower offers just to close a deal. The saturation in the market, where fewer homes are being sold and more deals are being cancelled, can make it harder to stand out. Many sellers are forced to be more flexible, either by lowering their asking price or offering other incentives. In short, while buyers may find new opportunities, they must act cautiously and sellers may need to adjust their expectations or take a hit on the profit they anticipated. Why? This is just the beginning. The housing market's current turmoil is likely just the tip of the iceberg. Long-term economic factors, such as stubborn inflation and rising interest rates, are still putting pressure on home buyers. Inflation, though easing slightly, remains higher than healthy levels, and interest rates are expected to stay elevated for the foreseeable future. This combination has already priced out many potential buyers, and it's not expected to get better soon. Experts predict home prices may decline gradually, but not crash soon. Rising housing inventory and downsizing could cause price corrections, while high mortgage rates will likely slow the market. A slowing housing market could ripple through the economy, affecting construction jobs, real estate, manufacturing, and retail sectors. Advice for buyers and sellers. If you're a buyer or seller, navigating this turbulent housing market can be tricky, but there are some key tips to keep in mind. For buyers, now could be a good opportunity, but proceed with caution. Rising interest rates might make it harder to secure affordable loans, so focus on your budget and explore multiple lenders. Take time to analyze your finances, compare mortgage options, and avoid rushing into deals just because prices seem lower. Patience is key. While the market may seem more favorable, higher mortgage rates can still be a trap if you're not careful. For sellers, if you're looking to sell, it's time to be realistic. Homes are taking longer to sell than in previous years, and you might need to lower your expectations when it comes to price. Consider holding off unless you absolutely need to sell. If you do decide to sell, make sure to price competitively and highlight unique aspects of your home. It might be worth working with an experienced real estate agent to handle negotiations and ensure you're not underselling. With these tips, both buyers and sellers can better navigate the market and make informed decisions. And that's a wrap on today's video. What do you think about the current housing market? Are you buying or selling right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. See you in the next one.